Hello everybody, now this is part 2, look at 21. Your shoes are the coffee table. Okay, so if you want to use next, right? See next couldn't be because you have to add the word to, remember? And 21, between is like, when there are two things there are two things here, for example, A and B, and you are right in the middle. This is called between. So must be between two stuff. So if let's say this was only one coffee table, how do you know? Because there's no S at the back, as the back over here. So, but if let's say there are two coffee tables, and you can say, yeah, basically your shoes are between the coffee table. So the only answer is A. Okay, now look at 22. I keep my old magazines in boxes, my bed. Okay, so same thing, you can't use between because it's only one. And you can't use among as well because among, this is when you're standing in between two things. But among is like more than two. For example, let me show you. Okay, for example, this is one tree and this is two trees. When you stand between the trees, between two trees, this is okay. And among is like when there are more than two. Okay, so for example, like this is called among. I am standing among the trees. This is correct. Okay, so the only possible answer is C, under. Okay, look at 23. The blue bag is pennies and the silver one is alright. So this is talking about the possessive pronoun. So the blue bag is pennies. 这个 blue bag 是 penny 的 Okay, apostrophe S means 的 And the silver one 银色的 alright, is whose one? 我的 So in this case you have to use mine. Alright, you can't use mine and me. Okay, mine. Right, because when you're talking about 是我的 and mine, this is the correct one. Okay, 21. The black caravan is theirs and the white one is okay. What is the meaning of caravan? Caravan is actually, how do I draw it? It's actually the car that is suitable for the people who sleep in there, and especially those people who want to travel, who go for a long trip. So they will buy caravan because during the journey they can actually sleep in the car. So this is what we call caravan. So the black one is theirs and the white one is, okay, 我们的. So same thing here, we gotta use ours because we is for the pronoun. We call it subject pronoun. We only use it at the first part of the sentences. Our is possessive adjective, not suitable as well. Okay, because for possessive adjective, you have to add a noun at the back. For example, our caravan. So you must have a noun at the back. Okay, 25. Where's Fiona's jacket? I think this one is, okay, 她的, alright, is which one? Not she, not her, is hers. This is what we call possessive pronoun. We gotta use possessive pronoun at the back. Okay, now 26. Have you seen Tom's phone? Is this black one his? Alright, same thing here. 你有看到 Tom 的电话吗？这个 black one 是不是他的 Alright, so same thing, we're using the last one. Alright, so it's only A. Cannot be he, cannot be him. Okay, him and he means 他. Only his is 他的. Okay, so 27. Ryan often to school. Okay, so let's look at, there's a word over here. Often means 经常. Okay, so which one should we use? Is cycling or cycles? Both of three of them, they are verbs. 动词. And these 动词 are using different tenses. Each of them is different tense. Okay, so if let's say this is an action which Ryan often does, so which tense we gonna use? When this is something that he often does, right? That means it's a habit. So for all different kinds of habits, we're gonna use present simple tense. For 习惯, okay, 一个你经常做的东西习惯. So which one is present simple tense? A and C. So B is not. B is present continuous. But because Ryan is only one person, so we need to add S at the back of the verb. Okay, so it's C. Now 28, the ferry at 4:30. Alright, so leave is leaving and leave mean 离开. They are all the verbs as well. And each verb, right, is different tense. So which one should we use? So now look at this, the ferry. Okay, we're talking about 那个船. So this is more like when we are talking about the public transport timetable. Why? 我们在讲着那个船几时离开，几时启程这一些. So this is about public transport timetable. So also when we are talking about public transport timetable, okay, which tense do we have to use? Same. We gotta use present simple tense. So B is wrong because B is present continuous tense. So only A and C. So ferry is only one ferry. So we gotta use S. Okay, we gotta add S. So it's C. Okay, 29. The bus at 11:15. Okay, so this one is the same as the previous question because this is a public transport, 公共交通, and we are talking about when it arrives. Okay, timetable. So which means we gotta use present simple tense. So which one is present simple tense? Definitely it's not B, only A and C. So bus is only one bus. Repeat, we gotta add S here. So A is the answer. Okay, number 30. We always dinner as a family. Okay, so same thing. These are all the verbs. So 我们每次都吃晚餐. Okay, so that's that. What does that mean? You see, always, 经常. Oh, something that you always do. So it turns out to be a habit. Remember, habit, which one should we use? It's the same thing as question 27. We gotta use present simple tense, right? So that means we have to use present simple tense as well. So which one is present simple tense? Eating is present continuous. Will eat is future simple. So the only answer is A. Okay, 31. Okay, again, can see that? Every Wednesday, it's a habit. 这个是每个星期三都会做的. Okay, it becomes a habit already, right? So same thing, present simple tense. So which one is it? Has gone is present perfect. Is going is present continuous tense. So the only answer is A. Okay, 32. Amy to work by bus. Okay, so understand the question first. Amy 搭巴士去上班. Okay, so 上班. Okay, so 上班, do you do it like every day? Yeah, almost every day from Monday to Friday, right? So this is also like a habit because you do it every Monday to Friday, right? So when this is a habit, same thing, present simple tense. Which one is it? It's A, alright? B and C, they are wrong. Okay, now 33. Jamie a TV in his bedroom. Okay, so which one is the answer? Hasn't got a TV, right? So Jamie 没有电视. Which one is the answer? Is B, hasn't got. Cannot be hasn't a TV. Cannot be haven't. Okay, why? Because Jamie is one person. One person, we need to use has. Okay, but if let's say there are more than two, then only we use have. Okay, so 34. The Smiths got a swing in their garden. Alright, the Smiths means, right, not only one person, but more than one person. Okay, so when this is more than one person, right, which one should we use? Haven't. Okay, so got always pair with has got or have got. This is affirmative, but when it comes to negative, it should be hasn't got or haven't got. Has got or have got, the meaning is 有的意思. Do you own it? Okay, alright, 35. That us to Wales at 7 o'clock tonight. Okay, understand the sentence first. Dad 今晚会载我们去那个 Wales. Okay, 7点钟会载我们. That means, have we done the action yet? Not yet. Okay, because tonight 7 o'clock only Dad, right? He's driving us. So which one is the correct tense? Which one should we use? Okay, this actually means is a fixed arrangement in the near future. What does that mean? That means, right, something that you have planned already and you're going to do it soon. Okay, for example, this case. 7 o'clock tonight. You're going to do it soon, right? Yeah. And have you planned that? Yes, you have really planned that. So, in this case, we gotta use present continuous tense. So, which one is continuous tense? B wrong, C wrong. So, the only answer is A. This is present continuous tense. Continuous tense always come with the word ing. You always have to add alphabet ing. Okay, now look at 36. I in the concert this evening. Okay, again, understand the sentence first. And about 这个下午, alright, 我不会play in the concert, alright? That means what? This is something same as the previous question as well, same as 35. 你已经 plan 了不会去做这个下午, alright? But have you done that? Not yet, but you have already planned that. So same thing, you have to use present continuous tense. So C is wrong. C is present simple tense, not present continuous. There's no ing. Yeah, this is present continuous with the verb to be at the front part. So I, we have to use am, not ir. It's I am, okay? 37, right now, Valerie, her nails. Okay, can you see that? He is talking the action right now. 现在这个时候. What is she doing? Okay, so when we are talking about something, the action which is happening now, same thing, we have to use present continuous tense, which means C is the only answer. Right? Okay. 38. I the ironing at the moment. Okay. See that? What am I doing at the moment? At the moment means now. So same thing, we have to use present continuous tense. So the answer is the A. Okay. Number 39. Alright, day for Japan tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, what are they going to do? Yes, they are going to leave for Japan tomorrow. So that means it's a fixed arrangement, something that they haven't done. But are they going to do it soon? Yes, tomorrow. So it's a fixed arrangement, something 你已经计划了的 ，OK， 然后你会在近期里面做。比如说明天 ，alright， 他们要离开了去日本。So which one is the correct answer? C. Present continuous tense. Okay, 40. I can't talk to you right now. Okay, see? 我现在不能跟你讲话. Why? Because I dinner. So when we are talking about the action which is happening now, same thing, we have to use present continuous tense. So which one is it? B. Okay, this is wrong. I've cooking. This is definitely wrong. I cook is also wrong. Okay, so that's all for part 2. Okay, so you may watch part 3 for question 41 until question 60.